Don't take that one.
That we was seeking to nullify our primaries and put us out of ballot. So by this case now, APC is now in ballot. No more impeachment on as a candidate or congresses or whatever. So APC is free now to go and campaign all over River State, all over Nigeria, and tell anybody who cares to listen that APC is a political party that will contest in 2023 general elections.
Oh, okay. So what I want to ask now is that this is a court of High Court. This case was delivered by the High Court judge, right?
Yeah.
Not appeal court.
Yes.
So does it mean that any party out of the two parties can still approach the appeal court?
Well, the people that lost today can approach the court of appeal, but we also know what is happening there. This judgment today was delivered based on the decision of Court of Appeal that you cannot rely, you don't have any succor under Section 285(14)(c) of the Constitution of Nigeria 1999 as amended. That's where they sought to have a succor to go to court, and the court said no, that doesn't give you that power. Internal democracy, that Section 6 to protect, is not for another political party. For those who are aspirants who participated in the primaries of a political party, they are the ones that the Constitution wants to protect them so that they will not be rigged out in their primaries. Not for another political party to pry into my bedroom to see her and running my affairs. That is the law as of today. Even before now, Supreme Court had explained it in the case of Dele Moses, APC against Dele Moses, Agoma against APC. Supreme Court explained what that section means. It is a political party challenging INEC or INEC decision disqualifying its own candidate, not another person's candidate. So in 2021, when those authorities were decided, which we were part of, I was part of it, people had explained it. So this matter is a settled matter.
Thank you, sir. Can we have this, sir?
My name is Honorable Asita. I am the senatorial candidate of the All Progressive Congress for Rivers West Senatorial District.
Okay, by this decision, what is your stake and what is the stake of your political party?
We have always held the view that the law does not impede our party in any way. We have always told our people that we are on the side of the law. I'm a lawyer in the first place, so I understand what the law says. But unfortunately, because the governor of River State is the one who built this federal high court, he can bring any case here. So he brought us here, hoping that he will get judgment. You saw the Supreme Court Chief Justice that was here recently. He has been trying to intimidate us. But today, the same courts that he has been investing our monies in have come out with the true position of the law. What happens in my party are the internal affairs of my party. PDP has no business in the internal affairs of APC. But because corruption speaks louder than words, PDP has dragged us here to waste our precious time. We have had to hire lawyers to defend us for no reason. So, well, today, let me thank the judge for respecting the law the way it is. You recall that not too long ago, another judge gave a rascal judgment against our party. We have gone on appeal, and that matter too, by the grace of God, will be set aside. But we thank God that today the position of the law is being espoused now in the Federal High Court, in the Court of Appeal, and in the Supreme Court, that these are internal affairs of one political party, and that another political party has no business. We have done what the law requires. We have conducted our primaries by the indirect method. We elected delegates at the Congress. In fact, our governorship election was on live television.
Okay, sir. So after now, what next for you? After this judgment, what is the next thing for you and your candidates?
What is left is for us to win them. To win them, now that the courts have said that they have no business, because they actually have no business. What the PDP has been campaigning with is that we are not going to be in the ballot. Is that a campaign point? Tell the people what you have done. Go to the different local areas and see whether the resources of River State has been deployed to those places.
Okay, so what is
our next point is to win them decisively in the general elections.
Thank you, sir.